What kind of franchises do well in all different economies is a question I get a lot. And there are so many franchises that withstand different economies. The first one is home services. Think about what kind of things that you need to continuously do in your house, right? Paint, new floors, pressure washing. If you move into a new house, maybe you need to cover the windows and get blinds. There's always continual upkeep. If you have an issue with your roof, you're going to get it fixed. If a pipe in your house breaks, you're probably going to get that fixed and cleaned up. Restoration businesses are wonderful. Maybe you get a dog and you have to fence the backyard in. So those are all good. Home services, small renovation projects. So when we went through 2008, I remember home services were still a steady industry. People maybe weren't doing these huge kitchen remodels, but they would do small renovations or small little projects. So those are always really strong. People are also always moving. So junk removal and moving services. Maybe people are downsizing more. Good, solid businesses. There's businesses that help other businesses, right? Reduce their expenses or, keep their storefronts clean the windows, power wash, anything, parking lot, keeping their pavement up to date. So lots of different franchises out there that you probably never would have thought of. Healthcare, always steady Eddie. We're all aging, fortunately, I guess. And so there's businesses for healthcare, senior populations, helping people stay in their homes longer or moving to the right facility. I think the key is looking at the industry, knowing what is always going to be around, but then do you deliver value? That's what I really learned in 2008. People still spent money, but they looked for value in what they spent money on. So those are my top picks for steady Eddie, industries, and franchising.